Good morning, EK210. This is our presentation video for our wearables physical state tracker. The device features a sleek design wherein we've connected each individual components through a variety of methods, including stitching, then gluing, and then soldering the internal connections.
We decided to go for two separate housings for our components. A rear housing, which holds the Arduino along with a battery pack attached to it and a button. And then a front housing, which holds the OLED screen and two LEDs and the temperature sensor. The housings are made out of plywood, 1/8 inch thick, that was laser cut and then glued together. Each housing has multiple holes for the components, such as a button hole, wire holes, around with the OLED screen and two LEDs.
The major components of our project are an MLX90614 IR temperature sensor, the SSD1306 OLED display, the pulse sensor from pulsesensor.com, and the two LEDs on the side. The green one flashes when your temperature gets too high, and the red one flashes when your BPM gets too high. And finally, a button on the side to toggle between sleep and wake, and a switch to turn off the circuit. The goal of our code is to take this biometric data and relay it on the OLED display. The LEDs and the buttons make digital connections, the temperature sensor and display use I2C interface and the Arduino's internal pull-up resistor, and the pulse sensor uses analog collections to retrieve data. The code first initializes the screen and checks the button state using a debouncing mechanism. When the button state is high, the display is on, and when it's low, the display is off. The code then simultaneously retrieves temp data and pulse sensor data and relays them on the screen so long as the Arduino detects that the button is pushed. This concludes our EK210 video presentation for our wearable state tracker. Thank you for your time.